Nobody expected this. Hidden beneath centuries of sand, something enormous is waiting to be uncovered. Before silence, living terraces made this one of the ancient world's greatest engineering wonders. Centuries pass. Water stops flowing. Walls crack. Nature slowly reclaims one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements.
AI compares satellite imagery, LiDAR scans, and ancient records. The hidden blueprint finally comes into focus. Restoration has begun.
Every stone was documented before repairs began. Temporary supports secured the ancient walls. Every surviving brick is cleaned and preserved, revealing the ancient terraces. The first retaining walls rise as ancient engineering meets modern precision. Now the invisible engineering begins. Every channel, vault, and support must work perfectly before the gardens can ever bloom again. The legendary wonder returns. Every terrace reconnects into one living system.
Flow rates are stabilizing across all levels. We have active flow reaching the upper gardens.
One completed terrace proves the impossible is becoming reality, but the highest levels still await reconstruction.
The foundations stand. Only the highest gardens remain. The greatest engineering challenge awaits.
The stone terraces are finally ready. Now, the gardens need the one thing that once made them legendary: water.
Every channel must carry water with perfect precision. Even a single uneven stone could stop the entire system.
Before a single tree can grow, every terrace must withstand years of flowing water without failing.
With the engineering complete beneath the surface, the terraces are finally ready to support life again. Thousands of plants transform stone into a living monument, one terrace at a time.
After centuries of silence, water rises once more through Babylon's engineering masterpiece.
The engineering is complete. Now every surface is refined until stone, timber, and water work together as one living system.
Every terrace now breathes with life. The ancient irrigation network finally performs exactly as its builders intended. The last temporary structures disappear, revealing the full vision hidden beneath months of engineering. For the first time in centuries, Babylon's green paradise stands complete once again. Babylon's green paradise lives again, a masterpiece of engineering and human ingenuity.